Welcome to Sattva Songbird, an ultra-premium residential project by the renowned Sattva Group, located at Budigere Cross, Old Madras Road, East Bengaluru. Spread across 11.97 acres of lush greenery, this community offers a peaceful and tranquil living experience. Price starts from 1.45 crores onwards. Designed for modern living, our 1 BHK apartments, 753 square feet, offer a smart and efficient layout, perfect for individuals or couples. Spacious and thoughtfully designed, the 2 BHK apartments, 1,268 square feet, are perfect for small families or professionals. For those who seek luxury and elegance, our 3 BHK apartments, 1,733 square feet, offer expansive living areas and sophisticated interiors. At Sattva Songbird, enjoy a lifestyle where health and harmony are at your doorstep with world-class amenities. Badminton court, lush garden, grocery shop, swimming pool, and yoga meditation area. Stay secure and comfortable with 24/7 security, CCTV, camera surveillance, car parking and firefighting systems. Strategically located at Budigere Cross, Sattva Songbird ensures seamless connectivity to key areas. RCB International School, 7.3 kilometers SN Hospital, 6.7 kilometers Park Square Mall, 11.6 kilometers Garden City University, 9.1 kilometers Kempegowda International Airport, 25 kilometers. Book your dream home